Yo guys, welcome back. Yeah, third video that I'm making today on a Friday. And yeah, I'm honestly really happy. I did 5 deliveries today. That's crazy. So yeah, 5 deliveries completed. Maybe I'll do a sixth one. But if not, then I might just be done for the day. I made some good money today. I definitely did. I'm in Cranston right now. I just delivered shawarma from my neighborhood. And yeah, and then I just dropped it off here. Quite a lot of food, but yeah. Man, I'm fucking dying in my car. It's so fucking hot. Holy shit. So I'll definitely, once I start the engine, I'll turn the fan on and open my windows to cool off because I'm fucking dying. I am literally fucking dying right now. Yeah. And you guys know what's really funny? When I was going to the shawarma restaurant, I literally like saw this fuck, what was it I wanted to say? Oh yeah, I saw this like YouTuber. I saw this YouTuber at the Shawarma Palace, this Ukrainian guy, and I've watched his videos before, I'm not even kidding, and I saw him in person. It's so funny. He's like a real estate agent and he makes a bunch of vlogs. But it's not my first time running into him actually, surprisingly. He actually went to my gym, which is really crazy, and he also once in Seaton, I saw his car driving. A crazy coincidence that I run into him. He's a YouTuber who has like probably like 100,000 subscribers or whatever. And yeah, and he's like, he makes vlogs and yeah, kind of like how I do, but he mostly talks about like immigration, house costs, and other stuff. That's the type of content he makes. But he makes other videos reviewing neighborhoods and houses and sometimes even just vlogs, kind of like how I'm making them. So it's pretty cool. You know, I would have said hi to him, but he kind of took off. I approached the door. He like quickly went with his wife. His wife is from like India. But yeah, I'm checking my phone battery. It's 40%. But yeah, guys, set up my camera. Man, I'm gonna fucking die. It's so hot in my car. Start the engine, turn on the AC, open my windows. Whew. It's fucking hot as shit.
Continuous recording will now start.
I kind of need like the GPS to find my way back. Like I'm using the GPS. Why I'm using a GPS? Just because this neighborhood is kind of confusing. It's not that I wouldn't find my way back, I would. But it's just a little bit like confusing trying to find out how to leave. Okay, now this is the main road over here. Just gotta yield. Okay, no cars, good. And here I got a stop sign. Ah, shit. I have to yield to so many cars. Okay, I'm good. Okay, good. The school zone ended, so I can go like 50 here. Oh yeah. So fucking hot. Hey, when it gets so hot in my car, but I'm not even wearing a jacket. I'm only like wearing my sweater. I guess I'll close the windows for now. But once it gets really hot again, I'll open them, which that could be soon. But I got the AC on. But my AC is kind of shit. You know, it's not good. I mean, if I had the money, I mean, I probably do have the money, but it's so fucking expensive to repair my AC. Even though my AC works, it's just shit. And there's like a problem with my left window sometimes. It's like sometimes gets stuck, doesn't want to open. Most of the time it does open. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Okay, fuck, I'm getting hot again. Okay, now I'm on the bridge. There's a lot of traffic here, but it's 5 p.m. I don't know if it's gonna be busy. Hopefully not. Okay, I'm sort of cooling off now. That's good. Alright guys, yeah, sorry that I wasn't really talking. You guys wouldn't hear me because the windows were open. It would have been hard to hear me. But yeah, on my way home. Man, it's fucking hot. Holy shit, I hate this weather. Hate when it's like so fucking hot in my car. Yeah, I didn't even bring my jacket because it's too fucking hot. So I'm just wearing a hoodie. Just my sweater and that's it. But yeah. Yeah, I can't wait to open a cold beer and drink it. That's gonna be awesome. so fucking hot. Yeah, I gotta get ready for my Monday morning doctor's appointment. Fuck. Have to get up so early at like 7 a.m. That sucks. And then I gotta be there already at 8 a.m. That's fucking crazy. Oh man, I fucking hate how greasy my hair is. I really have to shower. My hair is like so greasy. Holy shit. I think like my hair in general looks really good. It only looks fucking gross when it's greasy, you know? So I gotta wash my hair. But I might be getting a haircut next month, maybe sometime in May. I'll probably get like a trim, you know? I'll ask like for them to cut it 2 inches shorter. That's usually the haircut I always get. I like having long hair, but when it grows out, I trim it like 2 inches shorter. Cause I don't know, my parents already told me back in like March, oh, get a haircut, but I refused. I was like, nah, I'm just gonna grow it out for now. But I'll probably get one in like May. I don't know when in May I'll get a haircut. Maybe early May, I don't really know. Or middle of May. Yeah, I'll shave my beard and then I'll get a haircut. But yeah. Ugh. At least I took care of my car, so that's good. My car gas is fully filled up. Poured in some engine oil into my car. So yeah, my car is good. It's well taken care of. So that's at least good. Yeah. I'll open the windows again. I love the cold wind. So nice. Okay. All right, I'll be home. I'll be home in literally any second. Pulling up in my driveway. Oh, fuck this heat. I think I have a headache too. But yeah, see you guys. Mom's car's outside. But yeah, bye.